Having a goal gives you purpose. It gives you freaking direction. It is fighting for something so much bigger than your everyday struggles. It keeps you focused. You guys, when I started my digital marketing journey, all I wanted was to make at least $1,000 extra a month. That would change everything for me and my family. So I learned these skills and I just implemented it. I learned how to do digital marketing. Now I'm making freaking thousands of dollars every single month. Literally making my goals a reality for me now. I don't have to just dream about it and hope that someday something happens. I am actually living it now. You guys, I'm bringing my mom in from South Africa to come and visit me for 2 months. 2 months! I haven't seen her in 2 years. So all I want to do today is just give you hope. I want to let you know that there's a way. There's a way for moms that's just like me and you. Just normal moms with an everyday struggle. Just trying to get in front of this whole being a mom thing and getting out of that rush. The struggle. You don't have to live that way. So if you want to learn the skills that I have learned, that I literally just implemented, I stayed consistent and I just became coachable and now I'm living my best life, then drop a 1 in my comments. I'm going to share this with you.